up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a long time since I uploaded a video. It's just due to that I've been super busy. I just did a clothing brand, and it's been taking a lot out of me. And if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you guys don't know, right? But if you guys do, then you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm wearing one of the first hoodies that we actually dropped. Well, it's a test run, pretty much. It's not a drop yet. It's a test run, and the quality is not the greatest, so I'm not gonna go and print more sweaters. I'm gonna be testing them. I'm gonna be testing them here and there, you know what I mean, every time I make a order. So yeah, anyways, I don't want to bore you guys with the new clothing brand. I'll bring it up later on today before the end of the video. But anyways, I just dropped off my kids and picked up some stuff at AutoZone. Had to go to work real quick and pick up some tools that I need for this for something that I'm installing on the BMW, on the what is wrong with me, on the sous vide. So I've been having it for a while, just sitting all over the place. I'm gonna end up doing it today. So yeah, I'm gonna wash the sous vide, install that part, and also do the spark plugs on the Beamer, because I need them. I have a misfire, and I think that's what it is. I think it's spark plugs, because I have never changed them since I bought the car. So yeah, it's time to change the sparks on this bad boy. Anyways, let me pick up the camera as soon as I get home, I guess. Man, she was coming along, right? Fender's so aggressive. The wheels, of course, they were just temporary wheels, but they look pretty good, huh? And now it's just time for me to install these things that I was telling you guys about. I'm gonna put some quick release here. I really wanted to get the other type of quick release, the ones that it's a button, you know what I mean? Just button and comes up. But since I can't do that one, I'm gonna have to use the weird looking ones with the rubber band up here. Well, either way, let me get started with those. Alright, so I already installed the quick release with the band. The quick release with the band. This side didn't come out as nice, but it's not the way it looks. It's actually because when I installed this fender, there's a piece where there's a hard plastic piece that where the bumper clips, right? So even if I wanted to do the quick release, the one that you just push in, I actually need something on the back in order for it to clip or to install the little rod. And then you guys get the point. The plastic piece is not there, so this is the only route to take. I know it looks really riser with that thing on there, but this side came out a little bit more decent than the other one, but looks a lot better. Doesn't look like it's hanging anymore, so it's doing the job, I guess. So now my job is to do a spark plugs on this one after we got this out of the way. Subaru's nice and washed. The bumper's not hanging anymore. We install that piece. Now let's get to work on this one. Alright, so I'm already working on the BMW. This coil I bought from O'Reilly's, and try to pull it out right now. All I'm pulling out is half of it. The other piece is still stuck in there. So I'm trying to figure out why is it stuck or how to remove it. This is the reason why I'm having a misfire. And I'm, like I said, might as well, if I'm gonna change the this coil and change one spark plug, I'm gonna do all four and maybe replace this coil. So let me continue removing this and update you guys what's going on. I changed all three of these. I'm having a problem with this one right here. If you guys can tell, part of the coil pack is stuck in there. Even if I stick it back in there, it won't come out. So now I have to go and fish it out. It's already cut. Let me stick a screwdriver. You guys can see it's cracked from this end. It's already broken. So that's because I guess the heat and these things are just faulty. So, and like I said, it looks really new. I just replaced it a few months ago, like 3 months ago. So now I gotta go get new ones, and they said, yeah, these are the best ones. So I spent money on them, and now it's fucking trash. That's why the car is misfiring, because of this. Alright, so I'm pretty much done with everything. It was just super frustrating with that one thing, that the one coil boot that was stuck. My brother came in and he had an issue with a car similar to this one. So he just torched the socket. We ran it through and made the boot really with the heat. The boot came it became soft, so I was able to stick a pick tool and just pull it out, and that was it. And now it's running. I just forgot to pick up the camera and record everything, but it's ready to go. And of course I did the little rubber quick release. It looks so ratchet, but it does the work. Like I said earlier, the plastic is no longer back here. So with that being said, I can't do the button or the push quick release, so yeah. But the BMW is ready to go. Subaru it's nice and clean. It's not ready to go. And 350 is nice and clean, but also it's not ready to go. It's not drivable. I don't know if I update you guys, but the motor blew out on my brother. Blew out on us. Technically, it's nobody's fault. The timing belt just snapped, and by the time we tried to start it multiple times, I guess the cylinders were closed, or I'm not sure, but I'm sorry, the valves were closed or open, or they were open, I believe. So when we tried to start it, pretty much the valves were bent and motor is completely toasted. So yeah, the Daily's back, and the little truck is back and running. That's an update. So pretty much, I don't know how long this video is, but if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. And by the way, I was going to talk to you guys about my clothing brand, which is Bearings. Let me adjust this. There you go. Which is Bearings. And I created it because you know, I always wanted, let me switch my hat back the way it was. I always wanted to wear something that I can skate with, and also something that means some cars and things like that. So I put both of them in this brand. Cars, if you like bikes, whatever, you can rock it too. But this is what it is. This is the first what do you call it, hoodie. It's just a test run on this one. I'm not printing more hoodies, but I'm gonna continue to print hoodies as a test run to see which ones are the best. Why do I have this on? Which one is the best one to start printing and start selling them. But with that being said, I do have some shirts. Let me pull them out and I'll show you guys real quick. All right, here they are. white shirt. We have the sand color. We have black, which is one of the most popular. I had a restock on black, and we also have burgundy. So, your choice, whichever you guys like. Just let me know. Hit me up on Instagram, and we'll be able to drop it off for you. So, everybody's asking me why bearings on my banner. Well, now you guys know. This is why. But the difference in between that and this is that the font is the same font, but these is capital letters. Anyways, that's what it is. This is my brand. We have 4 colors right now, and I also printed for kids. So if you guys have any kids, let me know in the comment section, or hit me up on Instagram. I'll put a tag right here so you guys can follow me on Instagram. But yeah, we watched the cars. I want to give a big shout out to Soto Auto Detailing for hooking me up with the care package. We washed these 2 cars with the shampoo. So yeah, and again, one big shout out to my boy from UN Wraps. If you guys need any wraps, let him know. I'll tag him right here too. So if you guys need any type of wraps, like banners, hood wraps, a full wrap, he is the guy to go to. UN Wraps. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up and comment down below. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, because there's more videos coming up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys until the next one. Peace out.
Check it. Yo, this beat so heavily, so I deceptively preach inside of my mind to take whatever's left of me. A soul dissectomy, yeah, a well-known enemy, ever changing the man that I was for, my true identity, yo. Check out my pedigree, full bitches and readily, full rhythms and melodies, full bitches and heavy weed. Fuck your amenity, life, a given memory, time soon is ending it while we live in selfishly. Cynical brain, killing a physical frame, minimal gain, pitiful lyrical moment of change, pinnacle stage, critical age. Everything that I've done in my life has led me to this day.